This video is about area. Let's see what an area is. A line can be formed either by arranging infinite number of points in one direction or by moving a single point in one direction. In both the cases, we get a line. Now, let's stack the lines. If infinite number of lines are stacked or arranged one over the other in a direction perpendicular to the line, a surface is formed. The flat surface, thus formed, is called a plane. The size of the plane is called its area. Is it possible to make a plane in any ways other than stacking the lines? Yes, of course. If lines are moved in a direction perpendicular to the lines to infinite distance, a plane can also be formed. A plane is a thin flat surface of infinite area. A plane can be formed in two ways. Either by stacking the lines in a direction perpendicular to the lines, or by moving a line in a direction perpendicular to the lines. Is there any similarities between a line and a plane? Points make lines, and lines make planes. A line has a length, and a plane has an area. The length is infinite for a line, and for a plane, the area is infinite. Line is a one-dimensional figure, and plane is a two-dimensional figure. A piece of a line is called a line segment. All geometrical figures, such as triangles, rectangles, circles, and other polygons, can be defined as the piece of a plane. Now, let's construct some of the polygons. Here shows how lines are arranged to construct a square, triangle, and a circle. Can you say which is the smallest one? And how small it is? Area measures the size of the surface. So, if the area can be calculated, it is easy to say which is the smallest one and how small it is. Area is formed only when the lines are stacked to its perpendicular direction. So, area is always the product of two perpendicular distances. For rectangles, the length and the height is always perpendicular to each other. So, the product of length and height of the rectangle gives its area. For triangles, the base length and the height is always perpendicular to each other. So, the product of base and height determines the area of the triangle. And the area is equal to half into base into height. For circles, base length equals to diameter, and the height also equal to diameter of the circle. These two diameters are at right angles, so the product of base length and height is the product of diameter and diameter, which is equal to diameter square. The product of diameter and diameter determines the area of the circle. So, the area of a circle equals to pi by 4 d square. Now, let's compare the areas. For rectangles, area is BH, where B is the base and H is the height. For triangles, area is half BH. For circles, area is pi by 4 BH, equal to pi by 4 d square, where B and H is the diameter. Now, let's answer the questions. What is an area? Area is a measurement that measures how much a surface is spread out. And it gives the size of a surface. How an area is formed. If lines are stacked or a line is moved in a perpendicular direction, area is formed. So, the product of these two perpendicular distances determines the area. Thank you for watching.